Today we are going to install a Google Smart Thermostat. So friends, what is the benefit of installing a smart thermostat? You can save money and energy, and also you can control it from anywhere. When I say anywhere, yes, even if you're in a different city, you can always shut it down if you forgot to, or you want to change the temperature. You don't need to get up from your bed and do it. So, and it's look beautiful, by the way. So hopefully you guys can see and enjoy, and maybe in future you can try it by yourself. Best of luck. Welcome to Travel with Sobia. So today you may have heard this thing, DIY, do it yourself. So countries such as Canada has a lot of DIY you have to go through. You have to learn a lot of things. If you came from privileged countries or family, you have to learn something. And it's for me, it's always fun. It just gives you a sense of accomplishment when you do something by yourself. For me at least. So today we are going to install a Google Smart Thermostat. So let's start unpacking this Google Smart Thermostat, and let's unpack it. So it comes with the smart thermostat, the cable box, the cover, the base, and I think it's a CD or the installation guide for everything. And it has some labels. First thing you will do, make sure everything is ready for you. Second thing, turn off your furnace and AC or heating.
Go turn off our AC.
So you might have a switch like on and off like this one, like I have, but the best way to do is kill the power.
Kill the power.
Yeah. So I have furnace is number 9. So
This is nice. So let's go back to the installation part.
this thing is run by battery, so it will always tell what is going on right now, what is the time and stuff. See, it's on auto, but it's not running. Okay, so I have killed the main switch. I'm gonna take it off, plug it off. Okay, see, it's still off. It's still running due to the battery, which is here. Don't worry. The important thing you'll do is take a picture of these cabling. So make sure your cables are secured. Now in mine, as you can see, they have been secured properly, so they'll not drop in to the wall. So if you have a situation where the cables are just hanging there, so you secure the main cable. Okay, so as we have the old picture, we'll follow that and use that. Green goes to green. As you can see, it just presses by itself. Okay.
So you should have small, thin fingers, not chubby ones.
I have almost
So the top and the bottom nail have to be secured now with this round meter.
the code, QR code. Install. The thermostat, it will give you some schedule. Choose your echo temperature. The thermostat automatically switch to echo temperature to prevent energy default off. I'm going to choose the same one. Choose which mode should be used today. Heating. I'm using heating. And kitchen is 20. And continue. So now configure. Thank you. That's now heating. The heat should be on. Check the vents. It might take 2 minutes for the heat to done. Heat on. Change the heat in 1 hour. So it's telling me it will take 1 hour.
In 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Why? What?
It's also giving me inside humidity कितना है, outer temperature, तो proper काम कर रहा है.